Bang. Hang on, do it again. Load him up. One more. You gotta load him up.
Yeah. Away.
Go.
Ôi đại. Ồ, đắc vậy. Thầy sao? Thank you. Okay.
Welcome patchworkers, quilters and fabric lovers. Here we are today. We're going to go and get, we've gotten the train down to Hulampong and we're going to be travelling to Chinatown. So I'm just about to go up the escalators and we're going to go out and we're going to see how we can find a tuk-tuk. So let's get going. I'll turn it back around so you can see the escalator. Here we go. Don't be surprised, these are tall escalators at times. It's a great system here. Really good system with the trains ones. It's just one card. Scan it as you get on, scan it as you get off. Okay, and you'll actually get into the train system. They announce it at everyone. They're air conditioned, they're friendly, very organised. So catch the either Skyrail, BTS, or the Underground, the MTR. So we've now come up at the main train station, and this is going to be the fun part where we can actually negotiate with a tuk-tuk. Here we go. Look at you all. Okay, where we go? We go to Sampang, Chinatown. Sampang? Yeah, how much? Huh? Oh no. How much?
150.
Huh?
150.
150? Okay, 150 shy. Thank you. Huh? 150? Huh? Yeah, right? Okay, so 150? Yeah? 150? Lighthouse sip? Lighthouse sip?
Okay.
Lighthouse sip. Okay. Okay, so we've just negotiated with all these guys on how to get a tuk-tuk. They're all arguing over the price and who's going to get them and everything. But we've ended up with 150 baht, which is fine to go to Chinatown. So let's get this tuk-tuk. Yeah, it's around $7. So they were trying to charge us about $10. We decided to barter them down to $7, and that's what you do. So we're now leaving the train station and in the tuk-tuk. So I'm just going to chat you through with it. This is a main intersection, the main train station. The trains where they'll take you up to Shanghai, Shanghai, all the way. And here we go on our way to Chinatown. Sampang is what the locals call it. Sampang. It's the locals' way of Chinatown. Sampang's more of where the shopping is. Chinatown's like the suburb. So if you say Sampang, we hope to get dropped at the same place we did the other day. From all of my trips here, every time I have one that drops me off, it's usually in a different spot. It takes me a little while to get the bearings back, but we get there. So you'll see on a tuk-tuk it's quite fun. It's nice and cool, even though it's a bit hot today. The air is quite warm. They have had thunderstorms every afternoon, but yesterday we got the tuk-tuk home with the thunderstorm and we got wet. So my shopper got wet more than I did because she happened to be on the side that they didn't have a plastic down. But that's what happens when you have having fun in Thailand. Yeah. So here we go. It is, what's the time now? It's 10:48 here, so just before 11. So the traffic, Bangkok is one big traffic jam, I just call it. We have traffic all the time. But this being a tourist one coming from the main train station, you will get a lot of traffic. Up over. When we came out of the train station, there's lots of exits you can take. We've taken a different one each day just to see, and we always end up in the same place. So there's always tuk-tuks or taxis at the exits of the train stations. Okay. So there's always, they're always there. And do barter with them, they have fun. You know, they don't mind. We just, as you can see, we had about 10 guys there, all wanting us to get their business, get our business from them. And this guy won with 150 baht, so about $7. Here we are on a tuk-tuk on our way home from Chinatown for the second time today. Let's have a look at all this luggage and see what we're doing here. We'll go round this way. And look, We've got 4 big bags of shopping. I've got a personal shopper with me. We're in a crazy tuk-tuk and with a thunderstorm looming. This is what we do in Thailand when we come on one of my fabric tours. We actually shop around and have a load of fun. We'll go to the Pad Thai tonight. We've been going through lots of different places where there's different fabrics, but not only fabrics, we do a lot of other things. We'll do the cooking ones. We'll do little tours to scenic places. So come along, make sure you comment in the comments below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's okay, and you can catch up with what I'm up to and where I am. If you're interested in any of my tours, please do come along and just message me. So have a great day. I'm just going to pan across, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and happy sewing.
A few moments later.
It's going to rain. Here is the rain. We are driving in this tuk-tuk with an absolute thunderstorm going on. Nothing, doesn't matter if it gets wet, we're all waterproof in here, except for one leg. But this is what happens when you're here. You get these freak thunderstorms. So in the tuk-tuk.